Wait, you didn't click off it yet, did you? Well, if you didn't, here's some news. This is the beginning of the gaming side of my channel. I'm going. Wait, one more thing. From now on, I will be posting gaming content every Friday, in addition to my music and animations. There may be bugs and difficulties that will not get me an upload. Wait, in case you couldn't tell, this is my first gaming video, and I will upload. Oh, what was that? Oh, dang, there's a zombie.